Hey, what's up everybody, it's Zihad here. Times are crazy right now, am I right? Inflation's through the roof, and you're probably looking for ways to make some extra cash. Well, you're in luck because in this video I'm breaking down the top 5 side hustles to absolutely crush it in 2024. These aren't your grandma's side hustles, okay? These are legit ways to potentially replace your 9 to 5 or just afford to finally get that extra guac. So, whether you're just looking to make a few $100 a month or you're ready to dive headfirst into entrepreneurship, hit that subscribe button and let's get this money. First up, we've got freelance writing. The internet runs on content, and I'm not just talking about cat videos. Businesses need blog posts, websites need copy, and someone's got to write those Instagram captions. That someone could be you. The best part? You don't need to be Shakespeare to make it as a freelance writer. You just need to write clearly, concisely, and engagingly. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and ProBlogger are great places to find your first clients. You can set your own rates, work from anywhere in the world, and be your own boss. Some freelance writers are making 6 figures a year, while others are pulling in a nice side income. The sky's the limit, folks. Next up, we have online tutoring, which has exploded in popularity with the rise of remote learning. Remember those subjects you aced in school? You can get paid to share that knowledge with students all over the world. Platforms like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, and TutorMe connect you with students of all ages and levels. You can even teach English as a second language, which is a huge market right now. Online tutors typically charge anywhere from $20 to $50 per hour, depending on their experience and the subject they teach. Some experienced tutors are even making 6 figures a year. If you've got the knowledge and the passion for teaching, online tutoring could be your ticket to a lucrative and fulfilling side hustle. Alright, let's talk dropshipping. Imagine this. You're running your own online store selling all sorts of cool products, but you never have to touch a single piece of inventory. That's the beauty of dropshipping. You create an online store using platforms like Shopify or Wix, find awesome products from suppliers, and list those products on your store with a markup. When a customer buys something, the supplier handles the packaging and shipping directly to the customer. You're basically the middleman, connecting buyers with products and taking a cut of each sale. Dropshipping takes work. You need to find the right products, market your store effectively, and provide excellent customer service. The barrier to entry is relatively low, and you don't need a ton of upfront capital to get started. Some dropshippers are making millions of dollars a year, while others are generating a comfortable side income. Next up, we have social media management. For businesses, it can be a full-time job trying to navigate the ever-changing algorithms, create engaging content, and actually get people to buy their stuff. That's where you come in. If you're a social media whiz, you've got a valuable skill set that businesses are willing to pay for. As a social media manager, you'll create and schedule posts, run ads, engage with followers, and be the voice of the brand online. Entry-level social media managers typically charge around $15 to $25 per hour, but experienced managers can command upwards of $50 to $100 per hour. You can do all of this from your laptop, which means you can work from anywhere in the world. Last but not least, we have pet sitting and dog walking. If you're the type of person who stops to pet every dog you see on the street and you're basically a cat whisperer, then this side hustle might be your calling. Pet owners are busy people, and they're always looking for reliable and trustworthy people to look after their furry friends. Platforms like Rover, Wag, and Care.com make it super easy to connect with pet owners in your area. You can set your own rates, choose the types of pets you want to work with, and even schedule walks and visits around your existing commitments. Dog walkers typically charge around $15 to $25 per walk, while pet sitters can earn anywhere from $20 to $50 per night. It's a rewarding and flexible way to make some extra cash. And there you have it, my friends, the top 5 side hustles to crush it in 2024. The best side hustle for you is the one that aligns with your skills, interests, and lifestyle. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these side hustles are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more money-making tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your side hustle journey.